Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's TheBlackHannah, and today I'm giving you guys my wash day routine. The first thing I like to do is I like to get a mixture of vinegar and water. Obviously, let's put more water than vinegar, but it's really good as a Prepoo. And what I like to do is I like to put it all through my hair, and then I rinse it out. And I feel like just doing this allows my hair to be super clean once I go in with shampoo next. And I really just make sure again to rinse it out thoroughly, and then I squeeze my locks a little bit, just to make sure that's really soaked in there and getting whatever dirt's in there ready to be lifted and washed out with the shampoo. So the second thing I like to do is to take the Purple Toning Shampoo by OGX, and Purple Toning is great for colored hair in general, whether you have locks or you don't have locks. I've always used it, especially when I have a fresh color. So what I'm doing is I'm moving the shampoo through my hair, but as y'all can see, I'm not really scrubbing. I like to scrub my roots, but when it comes to the length of my locks, what I like to do is kind of squish it in there, as y'all can see me doing, because I really want to make sure the shampoo is not just sitting on top of my locks, but really trying to penetrate my locks as much as humanly possible. So that's what y'all see me doing. And then after, I like to rinse it clean and prepare myself to use conditioner. And of course, conditioner is something that some people like to use and some people don't. For me, my hair was dry beforehand, it's dry now, so I'm definitely still going in with the conditioner. So I'm taking the Restoring and Bonding conditioner by OGX, and I felt like this is just a great one, especially if you have a fresh color, to make sure that your locks are staying nice and moisturized. So I'm using that all over my locks. So I'm using the same technique, but I try to rub it a little more than squeezing. And I love this conditioner. It really keeps my hair super soft without having to use a bunch of products later. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And what I like to do is honestly let it sit for a little bit while I get myself cleaned up, and then boom, I rinse it out. I also like to flip my hair over when I'm rinsing it too, because I found that sometimes stuff can get stuck in the back between your locks. So I just like to flip my hair over as well as flip it to the side, really trying to get as much as humanly possible since I can't see the back of my hair. So yeah, I love flipping it all around. Best way to get all the product out of your hair. And now you guys can see I'm done with my wash day. Super simple. Ooh, guys, the hang time. Look at the hang time. I love it. I absolutely love my locks. But yes, you guys see, I'm showing you guys how clean my locks are now. And I'm super happy because I really need to wash. And for you guys wondering how much I wash my hair, I wash my hair about every, honestly, 2 to 3 weeks, because I work out a lot. Work out about 5 to 6 days a week. So it's super important for me to wash my hair because of my scalp. But I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this wash day. Let me know what you guys think. And if you enjoyed it, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.